it's me, Jill, and for today's vlog, I will share my new recipe and now we'll go healthy. I will incorporate 2 healthy ingredients, butterfly sweet pea and dates. Trivia: benefits of Tarnatea or butterfly sweet pea. Weight loss, antioxidant properties, anti-diabetic properties, reduces stress and anxiety, beneficial for hair and skin, anti-cancer and anti-tumor properties, antimicrobial properties, anti-inflammatory properties, and improves eyesight. Wow, that's a lot! Let's start. How to make Tarnatea and dates muffins. Soak butterfly sweet pea flour into hot water. To extract the richness and color. Use 2 eggs, but unfortunate to crack 1 egg with 2 yolks. Add buttermilk. And oil. Add sugar. Afterwards, add flour, salt, and baking soda. Well, and add vanilla. Here comes the first healthy ingredients, the dates. And the second healthy ingredient, the butterfly sweet pea. Scoop and put it in liners. Garnish with dates. for about 15 to 20 minutes. Toothpick check. If it comes clean, it's ready. This is optional. You can wash your muffins with butterfly sweet pea extract. Here's the finished product. Yummy! Spongy and soft. Surely it's healthy and delicious snack. It's best served with blue tea. If you enjoyed this, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you and God bless.